So what's good, YouTube, and welcome to another video. I'm Ezekielo. So right now I'm at the Bose store in Birmingham, Bullring, shopping center. So I'm about to test the Bose SoundLink Revolve Plus portable Bluetooth speaker. Some of you have requested for a sound test. I haven't had the time to lay my hands on one, so please put on your headphones and let's have a listen. So 80%. Directional, so I can go to 6 So you can mount it on a tripod and you can listen to music, which is very awesome. I didn't know you could do this until the owner of the store came in and helped me mount it on a tripod, as you can see. Same goes for the Bose SoundLink Revolve. Both of them have got this 1/4" screw at the bottom with which you can use to mount it, and it's really good. So let me play some music now while it's mounted on the tripod. So it's a 360-degree speaker, so you can listen to it from all angles. Yeah, so there we go. So I'm at 70% volume now. So take it around, okay. So you can see, beyond mounting it on a tripod, Mark from Bose explains more.
Now the SoundLink Revolve, as you can mount on a tripod as well if you like to, but there's a unique connection as well we call the 4 golden plated connection legs.
Okay.
What you can use that one for, normally a customer house charge, you got the normal standard charger inside with the USB cable as well. You plug this one into the USB adapter, plug it into the socket, and back over the speaker you got the dedicated USB cable, plug it in, and now the speaker is charging straight away. But let's see you had enough to use like this way. What you can do, you can buy as an optional way, we call the charging cradle. The cradle is designed to, you can still use your existing charger, but what you do, you got a dedicated USB socket as well in here. What you do, you hold the cable, plug it in straight away, leave the cable as it is, leave somewhere around the house this plate connection, and when you arrive home from a busy day, and let's say you like to charge your speaker, but you're not plugging in as before, just leave it on the top, and now the speaker is charging.
Wow.
When you finish charging, green light turn on, take out, and ready to go.
If you are looking for great sounding speakers and you're a fan of Bose, these are great options to definitely check out. Both of these speakers are 360 omnidirectional speakers, so no matter which side you're standing, you're going to hear them clearly from all angles. If you want to get any of these speakers, I'll be throwing links in the description section for you to purchase them. That's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. I am Ezekielo, and I'll talk to you all in the next video. Adios.